go.
Akala ko, umikot din.
Hello, hello.
Hello po.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Oh, ano pangalan mo?
Hello po, I'm Nicole Cassandra Olivo.
Maliban sa pagkanta, ano pang gusto mo gawin?
Ang hobbies ko po is mag-play po ng bandurria po.
Bandurria?
Yes
Bandurria?
po.
Bakit yun ang napili mo?
May band po sa school po namin, Rodalia band po.
Okay.
Yung bandurria po, hindi po talaga siya familiar po sa akin. Kasi isa po siya sa unique instruments po sa atin. Bandurria is a 14-string instrument po,
Yes.
kaya naantiga po ako na tugtugin po yung bandurria.
That's a good choice.
Thank you
Good
po.
sound. Paano to? Nicole, from the start, from the get-go, alam ko may skill ka na and you had that power na. I was 100% sure someone's gonna turn for you. Ganon kasigurado ako. And I'm just happy that we all three did it for you.
Thank you po.
As an artist, a growing, budding artist, parati akong nai-intrigue at interesado sa mga katulad mo na kayo ikaw sana ang makapasok ka sa Camp Kawayan kasi you're the kind of artist we're looking for.
Di ba blind auditions, we cannot see. I could see, I could feel, I could hear. Yung excitement mo, nandyan na. Were you enjoying yourself?
Yes
Kasi yan ang
po.
binasa ko sa ears ko. My ears were reading excitement in your voice. And hearing you sing the way you sang, I think that should be the peg for the rest of the teens who compete here.
Wow.
Good job.
Thank you po.
Good job.
Thank you po, sir.
Good job.
Galing talaga nito ni Sir Marty. Ni Coach Marty, palaging parang mukhang may script. No? Parang gusto mo maging host
Wala
po.
script.
Nicole, sobrang galing mo naman.
Thank you po.
Hindi, pagkaikot ko nga nagulat ako kasi hindi ko ina-expect na ganyan ka. Kasi parang pag nakikita kita, parang masyado kang shy. Yung, parang feeling ko sweet lang, ganyan. Pero yung kinanta mo, Dance
Right?
Monkey, na if you don't put in the right attitude dun sa performance, it's not gonna work. Hindi siya magtutunog masarap at saka masayang pakinggan. Kailangan naririnig, kailangan nararamdaman namin yun. Tapos hindi ka pa namin nakikita. So for us to feel kung ano yung dapat namin maramdaman dun sa performance, means na talagang alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, alam mo kung paano gawin yung gusto mong gawin.
It's like we were listening to Superman and then Clark Kent was right here.
Siguro, when you choose to be part of Team Supreme, we will work on the storytelling, kung paano mo siya ikukwento, paano namin siya mas mararamdaman pa yung performance. Kasi sometimes, we are always in awe of the technical aspect of the performance. Pero iba din kasi yung beauty ng meron kang nagawa sa amin emotionally. Na pag nakalimutan na namin yung mga ginawa mong technical, yung feeling, yung pakiramdam, yung journey na iniwan mo sa puso namin, nandun pa rin. So, I hope you choose me as your coach.
Nicole, you've got to decide.
Pipiliin ko po tong coach na to kasi po, feel ko po talaga matuturuan niya po ako ng sobra-sobra, matutulungan niya po ako sa mga skills ko sa pagkanta. Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si...
Look at this. It matches your hair. It's the same color as your hair.
Follow your heart.
Kasi halos sabay-sabay lahat eh.
Coach... Coach Bamboo po.
I gotta fold it again.
Ay, ko!
Oh my God. Congratulations.
Thank you so
You have
much.
such an instrument.
Thank
Thank you
you
for being on my team, for choosing me. I will be your guide. You got it, man. You know, you got this, so konting tweaks na lang. Right? Konting tweaks and let me guide you. So,
Thank you po.
welcome to Camp Hawaiian. And we'll take a photo para hindi mo makalimutan yung araw na to. So, thank you.
Thank you po.
All right. Good job. Good job.
Inilero
I'll let
pala.
you be. Hey, sir.
Good job.
Ay, may paghatid.
Actually, bagay siya.
Watch your step. Ingat.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
ah.
Oh, Daddy, Empress, Empress! Ako din maki-Empress! Nicole, hinga, hinga!
Ayaw pa rin mag-move on.
Good job. Camp Kawayan. We will steal her later.
There we go.
We can steal her later, right?
Sure.